Fantom for the past 2 days has been seeing higher prices, breaking through significant key areas of resistances above the 0.3931 and above the 0.4616, flipping those key areas back into support. And at the time of this recording, FTM is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart and is now ready to break through the next key area of resistance above the 0.5318, flipping that key area back into support in a move that I will be terming as the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 5 to the upper side. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also give you pullback target areas that you need to have in mind. And starting the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening since the 5th of August, when we saw a massive breakdown move. We started a very nice recovery to the upside where we first picked in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, saw a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2. Then we saw this aggressive bounce to the upside in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3. And once we picked in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3, we started another short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 4. And having seen the low for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 4, I was expecting the final break to the upside in the formation of this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 5, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3, giving me a minimum target area for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 5, having the first target area at the fib level 0.618, and that perfectly lies above the 0.4633, which is an area that we fully maximized. We continued to see higher prices in a move that is just about to fully maximize the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies above the 0.5253. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to continue seeing higher prices until we fully maximize that target area. And for us to get a confirmation that you are going to fully hit that target area, we first need to see a break above the high that we made yesterday, above the 0.521 in the next coming hours, for us to fully maximize that target area. But we also need to have in mind that since we have seen this aggressive bounce to the upside, we could also have a high in place in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3 on the high that we made yesterday above the 0.521. And that means that we have now completed, there are high chances that we could now have completed the formation of an even larger 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1 to the upper side, which is this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 structure right here. And if that is the case, then in the next coming hours, there are high chances that we can easily start a short-term pullback in what I will be terming as the start of a corrective structure in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2. Whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high that we have at the moment in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 5, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that perfectly lies between the 0.3899 and the 0.359, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. So in the next coming hours, in case we start to see a bit of a short-term pullback target area, that is a short-term pullback, watch for support at the 0.4618. And if by any chance we lose that significant key area of support, then I will be watching for a deeper pullback into this blue target area, get a low in place for the second wave, before we can start another aggressive bounce to the upside in the formation of this larger 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart for the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.